On this channel, I teach entrepreneurs like you to reach their goals through using video. You need to make the videos that your future client actually wants to see and doesn't forget. My name is Elisabeth. I'm from Top of Mind Videomarketing and I teach entrepreneurs how to use video in their marketing. I myself started working with video almost 30 years ago. I've worked for a long time as a video editor and a director of television programs. I've traveled halfway around the world with camera crews, hunting for great stories. At the same time, I wasn't really happy because I never had time for my own dreams like motherhood, a successful business and working from home. That all changed when I stepped from behind to in front of the camera. And now I can tell you it's absolutely possible to have a very successful business, be a 24/7 single mother and keep reaching new people every day. Because video marketing is such a powerful and personal way of making sure your future client knows that your company and your products exist. I help entrepreneurs like you to be the director of their own visibility. It doesn't matter whether your company is big or small, your future clients need to see a human face in order to connect with your offers and your products. That's how you build trust. Just subscribe to this channel and your videos will start improving immediately, week by week, video by video. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.